Since 1937, the Bandit standard banding tool has been a staple for band and buckle fastening across the globe. But as time moves forward, so does Bandit. Introducing the Drill Accessory Banding Tool. Forget the old days of manual winding. Just attach it to your standard 18-volt drill and let the power you already carry do the work. With this solution, you can achieve up to 33% tighter installs and get consistent tension every time by using drill torque settings. With the Drill Accessory Banding Tool, you no longer need to roll over the whole tool. Nose-only rollover geometry reduces the risk of cracked bands, ensuring safety and integrity of the installation. Speed, strength, safety. The Drill Accessory Banding Tool delivers faster installs, tighter holds, and smarter performance using a drill you already trust. No more manual winding. No more guesswork. Just consistent tension, hands-free operation, and protection built into every install. The Drill Accessory Banding Tool. You're not just upgrading your gear, you're transforming the way you work.